So now, while the potatoes are cooking, we'll start our hamburger meat. We are using some lean ground beef, and it's a 93-7. And that is the ratio of fat to lean meat. And you can get it in a higher percentage, but we prefer a little more fat because it helps it stick together and it gives it more flavor. And you will need a bowl to mix the hamburger meat in. You will need seasoning salt, garlic salt, onion powder, celery salt, black pepper, and kosher salt. And then, when you get ready to put the condiments on your burgers, we have yellow mustard, ketchup, and we're using some Smart Balance mayonnaise. It has omega-3s and some really healthy flaxseed oils in there, but you could use any low-fat mayonnaise you want. We also have a purple onion, some lettuce, some tomatoes, and some 2% milk cheese, and we're using 80-calorie wheat buns. So now, let's get started. Okay, so now what we're going to do is start mixing our burgers together. I've taken the ground beef and slightly crumbled it up, and what I've done is I've put all of my seasonings in a plastic portion cup, so that way when I touch the raw meat, I don't have to grab the bottles and contaminate them with the raw meat. So I put about half a teaspoon of each of my seasonings in there, and so I'll just sprinkle that. And you might not need all of it, so save a little bit, because you can always add, but you can't take out. And you just get in there and mix it all together. So once you get your burgers well mixed, you just want to form it into one big patty just like this. And now I'll show you how to perfectly portion your burgers. What you want to do is just take your hand and make lines down the middle of your patty, and that way it's in fourths, and you just take 1/4 and you mix it into your patty. And that way you have a perfectly portioned burger. So now what you want to do is, another trick for you is to take each burger and just make a little dent in the center. So that way, sometimes when the burgers cook, they swell up and make a mound in the center, and you don't want that because that makes it hard to put it on the bun. So you just take your patty and press it down in the center, and that way your burgers don't get that mound in the center. So now, since this is very lean meat, what we're going to do to prevent sticking to our grill is just brush the top and bottom very lightly with some extra virgin olive oil. So you just very, very lightly brush it. Now that we've formed our patties and brushed them with oil, I'm going to stick these in the fridge because they only need about 8 or 10 minutes to cook. Our fries are ready to flip. Now we're going to take them out of the oven. Oh, good grief, this is hot. So now get a spatula and keep one oven mitt on so you can hold the pan, and just try to flip them over as best you can. Now, since I have a convection oven, I've turned the temperature down to 400 degrees for the last few minutes because they browned up a little quicker than I thought they would before. So now let's put the potatoes back in. and set them for another 20 minutes.